meron kaming ENT clinic. Basic ENT check-up, no? Ears, nose, and throat diseases, kasama yung mga tumors of the head and neck. We offer medical and surgical services. No? Ito naman sa ENT center, we have the basic examination and diagnostic tool, endoscopy for the nose, tsaka endoscopy for the larynx or yung vocal cord natin. And lastly, we have a hearing center, which is in front. Meron tayong audiometry testing. It's almost always better to diagnose the disease early, hanggat wala pang nagsiset in a complication. One particular example, patients with, let's say, allergic rhinitis, left untreated, pwede yung mag-cause ng ibang problema. Sinus infection, pwede siya mag-cause ng bacterial ear infection or yung middle ear infection natin. And much worse, pwede siya mag-create ng polyp. Sa ENT, we have a wide range of specialists. Nandyan yung mga rhino specialists natin, head and neck specialists, plastic and reconstructive surgery specialists. So, in general, kompleto tayo dito. Kami ang ENT Head and Neck Surgery Department ng Camarin Doctors Hospital.
At dito, gagaling at gagaling ka.